Tired of boring car accessories that don't stand out? Or maybe you want something smarter, brighter, and easier to control? Well, we got the solution. Introducing the Nilight TL-56 interior car lights featuring vibrant RGB colors, smart remote control, and music sync that flows with your beats. Easy to install and built to last, these lights create a stylish and colorful atmosphere inside your car. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Nilight TL-56 car lights, remote control, user manual, mounting brackets, screws, cable ties, control box, specifications. Installation. First, check if the lights are working or not by connecting them to a battery. Plan where you want to place the lights, typically under the dashboard, seats, or along the center console. Clean the surfaces with alcohol wipes so the adhesive sticks properly. Then peel off the sticker and attach the LED strips. Hide the wires neatly under the carpets and trims for a tidy setup. Connect the adapter wire to the control box. Power the system by plugging the adapter into the car's cigarette lighter socket. Once powered, turn on your car and test the lights using the remote or app to adjust brightness, colors, and effects. Hardwiring the lights. Locate the cabin fuse box in your vehicle. Its exact position can be found in your owner's manual. For help, watch our fuse box guide video. Just tap the links below to view the video and access the manual. Run the control box's power wire through a firewall grommet into the cabin and locate the fuse box. Using a multimeter, find an ignition-switched ACC fuse that powers only when the car is on, then install a fuse tap and connect the kit's positive wire to it, adding an inline fuse for protection. For the ground, secure the negative wire to a bare metal chassis bolt with a ring terminal. Once connected, insulate any exposed wiring with heat shrink or tape and tidy everything with zip ties. How to connect. Download and install the Nilight Home app. Turn on the Bluetooth in your mobile phone. Open the app, select and connect your device from the list. Once paired, you can sync settings and access all features. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.